come on that cadence with that final word, and it then trips so the other party knows exactly when you're going to move the aircraft. So we're now going through a series of opposition manoeuvres, and opposite, and we're really needing to agile with aircraft. There are two versions, so the 160 which is the lower power version, and so in actual fact, Ron is working quite hard there to keep up optimal energy management, making the most of what power does, taking the time it's a lovely thing, and I think many of us who've been involved in military flying training have got out on this particular time. Lovely visibility and great fun flying. Sideways transition here, where the pair was down there. Joint manoeuvre, we're working along the very line. A bit of a trickiness. Very difficult. All these manoeuvres, many of them designed by himself. So Richard also joined the Air Force, following his father as well. He spent a fair bit of time operating on the tornado fleet, on the Boeing series of aircraft. Most of his time in Boeing. He started out at Christian University in Cambridge, and again his pilot license over 30 years ago at Marshall Aerospace. At Woodhall Spa. Its performance was outstanding, could carry a maximum bomb load of 22,000 pounds, its maximum level speed with a full load of 15,000 feet with 275 miles an hour. It could cruise routinely at altitudes about 20,000 feet at a rate speed of 200 miles an hour. All with a full bomb load. It had a range of flying alongside something that normally flew around between 300 and 400 miles an hour. And there you have it.
Welcome to the Blaze. Over 3,000 hours in the extra, which is no mean feat for a small aircraft. And he has displayed in over 1,500 air displays, making him one of the most advanced air display pilots in the world today. Pretty awesome. This manoeuvre is called Falling Angels. We've got blade 2 and 3 on either side performing stall turns. while blade 4 performs a pushover and blade 1 falls back. So cameras at the ready for the next maneuver. The guys are going to line up for the crossfire break, flying at the crowd at full speed. There at a quirky angle on either side, and blade 4 having a bit of fun rolling around the smoke of the other pilots at the rear. The blade 3 position today is flown by Mike Ling, or Lingy. He joins Boys and Girls The Heart. Before arriving at crowd centre and into a split, the Derry split.
Huge machine. The UK is the only country to have a display of this nature with the CH-47 aircraft. No other country in the world operates the aircraft for display in this manner, so we're really lucky to have it here in the UK. Now, helping steady out today in a left-hand seat, another very experienced Chinook captain, but operating as co-pilot today, Private Lieutenant Bryce Flynn, known as Flinny, joined the Royal Air Force in 2010. He's converted to Chinook and joined 27 Squadron. Standby, ready, enter, now, 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 15, circle, 20, 30, 35, 500 feet, 450, 400, 350, 370 knots, 250, pedal down X, 200 feet, 90 knots. And as we reach the left-hand end of the display area, you're going to see that ramp come up. Griff is going to work his way from the back of the aircraft to the front, and as soon as he calls computer to Smitty is really transformed it. It was stored initially in the B-51B and C models. The perfect marriage of engine and platform made the B-51D the mark you see here in front of you today in 1944, double canopy and 6 guns. One of the most iconic and potent fighters of all time. Flown here today by Alistair Williams from the Rolls-Royce Heritage flight. And their, of course, mission is to make use and harness the deep history and association of Rolls-Royce with the particular aircraft to motivate and inspire the next generation through Stevens. And of course, we have a Stantec here. And you can see that detector going along to the east overhead. With the addition of arts, it, of course, the acronym is Stevens. But Rolls-Royce part of the cutting edge of development of those.
Get your cameras ready for speed. Roll. As the team rolls to the left, the pilots will be able to see you all on the beach and make sure you give them a huge wave. And you can see the iconic shape of the Hawk aircraft, which has been in service with the Royal Air Force since 1976, and has been the aircraft of the Red Arrow since 1979, when it replaced the fallen nav. The board call is made by Red 4 as Red 4 and 5 roll around the smoke of the rest of the formation. Watch for the colour change as Red 1 brings the formation to the right. Up red 4 and 5, smoke red and blue. Smoking red is red 5, flight attendant David Simmons. Simo is in fourth year on the team. It's Bournemouth Round 3 is making form a barrel roll around reds 4 and 5. 4 and 5 blue on as they roll around reds 2 and 3 in one of the hardest manoeuvres for our new pilots each year to master. This is the rollback. And Jess, and the winners would like to dedicate today's talk to a gentleman called Stuart Kirkham. He is a lifelong Red Arrow fan. He travelled across the country to watch our displays and practices, and sadly lost his battle with a short illness earlier this year. And he is represented by his friends at the 2022 Red Arrow